Evet ya, giriş katta oturanlara, bodrum katta oturanlara.
An earthquake measuring 4 on the Richter scale today, September 6, 2023, rocked the central region of Chile at 20:48 local time. The National Seismological Center of the University of Chile said the epicenter of the earthquake was in Tongoi, about 430 kilometers from Santiago, at a depth of 45 kilometers. Today's earthquake, September 6, 2023, in Chile could be felt in the Atacama region, in the north of the country, and in the Metropolitan, where the capital Santiago is located, and characterized it as a moderate magnitude earthquake. More than 45,000 people lost power after the earthquake. Authorities ruled out activating a tsunami warning because ground movements did not meet the conditions that caused tidal fluctuations. According to the National Seismological Center of the University of Chile, there were no casualties or serious damage. The video shows the behavior of many birds before the earthquake in Chile.
Nosotros tomando test.
Flooding in Rio Grande do Sul, Brazil, Tuesday, September 5, 2023. Rain and flooding killed at least 31 people in southern Brazil, in Grande do Sul, and extended to Santa Catarina in what is considered the worst natural disaster ever in the last 40 years. Nearly 3,000 people have been killed. In total, 66 cities with a population of 2.7 million people, and a large number of animals have been affected.
A passarela. Ih, já era.
Cara, tira o carro dali de cima. Jesus! Caiu a ponta, cara.
E foi a ponta?
Eu não quero mais.
Ih, agora que não dá pra passar mesmo.
Olha isso!
Giriş katta oturanlara, bodrum katta oturanlara.
Massive flood in Istanbul, Turkey, September 5, 2023. Flash flood submerged more than 1,000 buildings, and 2 people died in Istanbul. Heavy rain fell overnight in Istanbul on Tuesday, causing flooding in the city's metro. The roads were flooded and became like rivers with fast-flowing water. Trees were floating in the water. Several cars were swept away by the flood. Bridges and ground floors were flooded. Thousands of residents were trapped for hours at vehicle stops.
Kıraathanenin çatısı çöktü. İçerisi göğüse kadar su. Bütün çocukları çıkardık.